Do you want to say it or you want me to say it or what?
You want to say it?
We're the social media team. We're going to go check out the new exhibit, Clickbait. Come along with us.
Let's go.
What happens in clickbait stays in clickbait.
Right.
Boom.
Do you consent?
Okay.
You got to register over here.
Oh, you registering here? Okay, cool.
And we can put
Tap
any
Spain.
name we want, right? Like I can put a random
Right.
name.
I could be Mike.
You can make up whatever name you want. So I'm going to do my gamer tag.
This guy.
Maybe I'll try a different one. I'm taking the picture. It looks awkward.
Okay, let's get signed up here. What should my name be?
Simba.
Kid Cuisine.
How about Jimmy? Oh, that's way better. Wait, curbside.
Quizby, dude.
Wait, what's going on?
Kid Quizby.
There we go. Yes.
Good.
There we go.
Willy Wonka.
Secret tunnel.
If anybody knows the monologue that Willy Wonka does, let her rip.
Come with me. Whoa.
Oh, she's getting Wonka.
Whoa.
It's getting
It's
smaller.
getting smaller.
You look pretty legit, Joe.
You
Oh,
are.
I'm standing right in front of where we go. I'll just leave that alone. Oh, holding a big old noodle.
Oh, we're okay.
Hey, check it out. Whoa, dude.
Need my 0.6 on this.
I'm like Darth Maul in episode 1.
Yes.
What? Get your noodles off me. GoldenEye big head mode.
Oh. Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
You like me. You really like me.
You're being very positive to them.
How many likes do you get, John?
Don't blow their heads up any bigger.
Yeah, who got more likes?
That was fun. That was
Nice.
cute.
Dude, so fun.
That was cute.
A reminder that your validation in this world doesn't come from likes and thumbs up.
And as you look around the walls here, there's like a lot of cool facts that you may not know about, you know? Like,
Yeah.
can you believe that 4% of Facebook profiles are fake? Thought it was like at least 50%.
I feel like it would
Yeah.
be way more than that.
It's got to be a 60% bots.
What? That's crazy.
I thought this would be 91% by Ask Jeeves. There is no junk mailbox on my Yahoo because it's just
Legit.
all
What
junk.
comes out of mine. I think I may have been cheating. John, I was looking over John's shoulder.
So you did well then.
Oh yeah.
We're
yeah.
teammates.
Yeah.
If you're cheating off John, then you definitely failed.
It's a cool little interactive right here.
Okay, let's see it.
Gotta get in a frame. So this will put you
Note his stance,
up on the big.
Get a broad
his
stance.
athletic stance.
Yes, get a sturdy base.
Yeah.
Solid.
Like, that will now put us up here.
You liked your own picture. That
I
is-
did, I know. I'm shallow.
Self-love, dude.
Yeah, okay, well, let's call it that. And remember, this is a digital island. This cannot be seen outside of this exhibit. It is on a local server.
There he is.
Oh, there we go.
There's that handsome guy.
Look at that.
Okay, this one's wild. More than 400 selfie-related deaths were reported worldwide. Huh. Makes you think.
Oh, dude.
What show didn't you like?
Friends, I feel like the only person in the universe.
That's a hot take, but I mean,
That is a hot take.
But Ross Geller though, shout out to the paleontologist. you know?
I get that.
Oh my gosh, I'm all over the screens.
There he is.
We're about to go through a maze.
GPS is a satellite navigation system that went into use in cars in
In 96?
96, yeah.
Dang,
They had-
we still had the big paper map. In
I was still
96.
using MapQuest, I
Yeah.
think.
And the ink would be halfway faded by the bottom, so you're kind of guessing the last 20.
Okay, I'm an Android family.
Goodbye,
I'm trying this way.
Well, y'all getting lost.
Where do we go? It's a maze. We just gotta
Your
guess, you know?
way.
No one knows where we're going.
What do you do when you dead
NPC,
end?
you got stuck. Reboot, unplug, rage quit.
Yo, where are we going, man?
King of the Hill.
Where are we going, man? It ain't got no gas. I'm in the maze.
We can't.
This is a dead end.
Let's get in here and party for a
Dang,
second.
dude.
Now we will have museum staff on the lookout for teens.
We solved the mystery.
Okay, looks
Yeah.
like we made it out. That's
There were
encouraging.
6 of us when we started.
We have been amazed.
Oh, here's the
Okay, yeah. So yeah, our
here's the
path.
routes.
Yeah.
The most common
This
route.
was me.
See the
Getting
little
off the
green
camera.
lines?
Yep.
Imagine you find someone in there that's like, help.
Dude, so someone's like, I've been in here for 2 hours.
You should totally put a skeleton in there.
Yes.
Just skeleton looking at its phone just in the corner.
Well, what's this thing over here, guys?
This is fun.
You know when you go to the eye doctor and they do that little puff of air and you're, that's not what this is. You're not gonna get jump
That's
scared.
what it looks like, though.
Puff. And then, theoretically,
There we are.
you appear. Look at my blue eyes. Oh, there it is.
That's kind of cool.
That is cool.
I like it.
The beats in here, man, I'm telling you.
So there's all these little quizzes, like this is how much you know about social media. Let's do a couple of them for the
Glad to
gram.
see you made it.
So let's do a couple example questions, which is the most viewed video on YouTube history. Baby Shark, Gangnam Style, Charlie Bit My Finger. Charlie Bit My Finger.
Yeah, it's classic.
Despacito. I thought it was Gangnam Style, but I think it's actually Baby Shark. I've got a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old.
I thought
so
it
know
was
this
Lane the
stuff.
Triceratops. Honestly.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, Ronaldo. Yeah,
Ronaldo.
soccer's.
Whenever soccer or football is in question,
Yeah.
always go with football.
FIFA coming to Houston.
Always. Yep.
True.
This thing's still going. It's huge.
Dude, huge exhibit.
I think we should mention.
Couples game.
So this is in the area where Gems and Minerals used to be. Gems
Right.
and Minerals is currently below our feet, like actually below our feet off of Glacel. Gems and Minerals is still here.
Yeah, do you want to?
Okay,
Let's
all
do it right here.
Yeah, I don't know anything about you, but it's probably gonna do better with you not knowing you than I did with John knowing John. You said you like Tex-Mex, so I'm gonna go.
It's cool. This
So-
is very cool. 66% of Americans continue to check their email, their work-related email while on vacation. Let's switch that. Let's get
Yeah.
that. Let's fix this issue. This is an issue.
Around the world, like
The ice-
remember the ice bucket challenge?
Yeah. Did you do it?
I never did it. No one ever nominated me.
I
I
just got an
nominate you
idea.
right now. Yeah. I did that trend a while back. It was like 2015,
Hey Z.
14, something like that. But I
Yes.
missed the ice part and I just fell into the pool.
Oh, it tracks your head.
That's my favorite one.
So an interesting thing about social media and how we interact on the internet, it's not just what you touch. It is if you slow down your scroll, even slightly, that registers with the algorithm. You don't have to click with it or interact with it. Just slowing down your swipes.
Yeah, it thinks like you're
It
stopping to
registers.
read something.
Right,
It's
exactly.
Like, you.
Oh, so it clocked me. It recognized my face.
Yeah.
I think my glasses might be throwing it off. I like how it says live better and then advertise a sugar drink. Just drink water, y'all. Like straight up, just drink some water.
Okay.
I mean, I'll film it though.
Film it. Pick them up.
You're randomly chosen to speak to someone
Who we got?
Random
Yeah.
visitor.
in this group.
It's
Microphone.
hello,
check.
hello. Who am I
Sibilance.
speaking with?
Test.
Like internet
1, 2.
Okay, somebody's pixelated.
Aw,
you are.
Oh, hey.
Hey,
It's-
Jill.
hey.
Random
Yeah.
person.
Oh. Oh, he's going
Oh, look
3D,
at 3D
with it.
Oh.
It's isometric. Wow. You're just kind
Have
of
you done
aware
this week?
Of the world around.
of the digital world around you and how you interact with things. Follows you around.
Yeah, because it's like it's here and it's moving regardless. So it's almost like this exhibit, at least to me, gives me a little more understanding. It actually made me feel less scared about internet, if I'm being honest. And AI, if you look at AI right here, look at this stat. 75% of people are worried about receiving false information from AI.
Yeah.
That's fair.
That's a novel
Here's a
idea.
question. Would you trust an airplane flown with AI?
I don't want to think about that.
Now, some people would argue that we already have automatic landing and automatic takeoff. However, there's still a professional pilot in there the entire time ready to take control.
If something goes
So,
haywire, you got a human in there that
Right.
will take over.
there's an AP disengage, boom, and a human being takes over.
Or Denzel Washington turning the plane upside down
yeah,
in flight.
drunk, yeah.
Dude, see AI do that.
That wasn't a happy movie.
It was sad.
It was a sad movie. Put them feet in them stirrups. There you go.
Feed them stirrups.
So you
So we can QR code
right,
this.
you scan your QR code and it'll send you the breakdown of your footprint in this
That's cool. That's
Your experience.
digital world.
Get you a little video.
I'm interested to see your
And I
AI
do the same
character.
song every time.
Yeah, see what it does with my glasses. Yeah, it's
Oh, dude.
Oh, wow.
So what'd you think, Johnny?
I was left with way more awareness of how I navigate the digital world. Not just in here, again, this is isolated from the world,
Yep.
but when I scroll through Facebook or Instagram or whatever, just more aware. There's a whole part in here You know, we think about how they collect analytics as far as like demographics, where you live and how old you are and stuff like that. There's a whole thing in here about psychoanalytics, and that it's mapping your mind,
Right.
how open to different concepts and ideas you're going to be. Like it's really, that part blew my mind, legit.
So the exhibit's huge. I think if you come here with kids, you're gonna have a blast. There's a lot of space and a lot of cool interactives for them to try out. And I was pleasantly surprised. Like when we walked in here, I was like, dude, this thing just keeps going and going. So I mean, I think anyone that comes check this out, they're gonna have a blast, you know?